Aloha lava, my name is Tyla Vaeau and I'm a tatau artist based in Grey Lynn, Aukilani. For Moana Waiwai Moana Pati, I will be doing tatau, if you want to put it that way, in the exhibition space. It feels good to be sharing this work in a gallery setting. I think a lot of the times tatau can be represented in photographs or films, so to actually be doing the mahi in the space, I think is a good representation of the practice. It's an honour to be exhibiting alongside these talented creatives. There's such a wealth of talent amongst our Pasifika artists, so to have my work sitting alongside their work is an honour. My lockdown experience was not great because I couldn't actually practice. I couldn't do tatau. We can't practice until we're in level 2. So I was homeschooling in lockdown. But as soon as we come out, I've seen the demand for tatau increase a lot, and I've just been really, really busy, which has balanced everything out. I think I would like them to take away that tatau is very much part of our Pasifika art practice. It's one of our oldest forms of mea sina, and just because it's not necessarily seen in the gallery that often doesn't mean, I guess, that it's any less than any other gallery-based artworks, and yeah, just to have it acknowledged and represented in the gallery space. I always like to acknowledge my mentor, Su'asuape Aleva'apetelo, and also Roger Ingerton, who've had a big influence on my tatau and tattooing practice, and of course my family and my 2 children, and I'm just thankful to be able to do what I love and to offer a contribution to the cultural legacy of tatau.